New signs of hope this morning as survivors are pulled from the rubble after a powerful 7.4 magnitude earthquake hit Colombia.
And now we're learning local first responders could soon be out there to help.
Eyewitness News reporter Madison Weil live with the new videos from overnight. Madison.
John, Rachel, and Tony, well, we first told you about this quake as it was happening during our morning show yesterday. We now know this is the strongest earthquake to hit the country of Colombia in 10 years. And this morning, it is all about the race to find survivors. New video overnight showing rescuers in Colombia desperately searching for survivors. Amid the devastation, a remarkable rescue. A 6-month-old baby covered in dust pulled alive from the rubble. This was a terrifying and powerful quake. Entire apartment buildings splitting open, collapsing, trapping people under debris. We know around 1,600 buildings have been reported damaged or collapsed so far. People were seen running through the streets, searching for safety. A few aftershocks also jolted the region yesterday. Eyewitness News spoke to one man from SoCal who was there when the shaking started. Jason Bowen says he was visiting the family of his fiance. They were on the 7th floor of a building when the quake hit.
Second we stepped outside, there was an old lady crying, holding her dog. People were really nervous, but fortunately none of the buildings fell where we are, but we know that there's been a lot of damage across the country.
We're so relieved to hear Jason is okay, but we know that is not the experience for so many this morning. Still searching for loved ones. We have sadly confirmed that more than 130 people have died, and just like we saw in Venezuela back in June, that number will rise as search and rescue efforts continue. Aid groups are stressing the need for help. The Trump administration already committing more than $15 million for emergency shelter, food, and other aid. And as always, when we cover quakes like this, a stark reminder to be prepared for this here at home in SoCal. Dr. Lucy Jones saying it's not if, it's when.
We are going to have an earthquake this size, and we're going to be closer to it because we don't have deep earthquakes here. We only have the shallow ones.
Also this morning, we do know that a team from LA County is prepared to be deployed. They could soon be on the ground there to help. We'll keep you posted on those efforts. But for now, we're live here this morning. Madison Weil, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.